Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your data on Viber. So let's get started. First we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon that we have here. That's going to take us to our settings. Now here we have multiple options, so we're going to select the second option, privacy. Now we're going to scroll down to find personal data. So when we find personal data, we're just going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to select the last option that we have that says delete your data. So here you're going to read the terms that once your data is deleted, a confirmation message will be sent to your device. And please note that deleted data cannot be restored. So if you want to pursue this, you're just going to click on delete data. And here you're going to receive this pop-up. If you want to pursue it, you can click delete again. Just keep in mind, once data is deleted, it cannot be restored, and you can delete your data once every 3 days. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.